Welcome back to India at Home. Today, we are exploring an incredible herbal remedy that has been cherished for generations, Sitopaladi Churna. This powerful blend is known for its effectiveness in treating cough and cold symptoms. So, what exactly is Sitopaladi Churna? It's a traditional Ayurvedic formulation made from natural ingredients like sitopala, vasa, pippali, and cardamom. Each of these components plays a vital role in soothing your respiratory system and boosting your immune health. Sitopala, also known as sugar candy, helps soothe the throat, while vasa, or rattoda, is excellent for relieving cough. Pippali enhances respiratory function and supports digestion, and cardamom adds a delicious flavor while aiding in overall wellness. To use Sitopaladi Churna, simply mix 1 teaspoon in a glass of warm water or honey. This concoction can help relieve irritation in your throat, reduce mucus, and provide instant relief from coughing fits. It's also safe for both adults and children, making it a family-friendly remedy. Just be sure to consult your healthcare provider before introducing any new supplement, especially if you're pregnant or nursing. Incorporating Sitopaladi Churna into your routine can be a great way to combat seasonal illnesses naturally. Don't forget to buy Dabur Sitopaladi 60 grams from our website or your nearest India at Home store. If you found this video helpful, give us a like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more wellness tips. Stay healthy and see you next time.